Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to top up your active balance on Paxel. So you go to top up and then you just choose a payment method to continue, and then you just select the payment method. So you can pick either using e-wallet or internet banking. So there I'm choosing internet banking, BCA, and then I can choose the amount, so I can type the amount or just press on the options there. So example, I want to top up 600,000 rupiah, and then I can just press confirm, and then now it shows how to top up. So you just have to follow these steps below to top up your Paxel credits. So example, I want to use ATM BCA, so I can just follow the steps there, or I can also use internet banking BCA mobile. So the steps are all there, just press on which one you're gonna use, and then you can copy the virtual account, and then once you're done and you've made the payment, you press confirm. So I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.